I teach you how to make your own cheese. Idiot could do it. Look at all this cheese. I mean, you can do that yourself. It's not that hard. Get a pot like this. You're going to need some powdered milk for this one. First, you're going to need 1 cup powdered milk. Go over here, just pour it in. Do a little pouring. Now you're going to need 3 cups of water. You're going to need a wooden spoon for this one. You gotta get a little stirry. Do a little stirring action. Gotta stir it up so good. And stir and stir and stir and stir. Oh, and stir some more. I keep stirring for hours. But the more you stir it, the better it's gonna come out. Now you need some white vinegar. Because this curds the little milk into a little cheesy for your cheese bar. Shaky. Oh, but you know, it doesn't smell bad. You want to add 1/4 cup vinegar. Like so. Pour it in. Now you want to add some sea salt for flavor. I mean, not too much. Good enough. Stir and stir and stir and stir and stir. Stove on high. And stir and stir and stir and stir some more. Stir and stir and stir and stir. Make sure you add the cover so it boils quicker. And stir and stir and stir. Okay, so now it's boiling. That's potential cheese gold right there. Oh, it is coming together so well. Like, an idiot could do this stuff, you know? You want to shut off the stove. Then keep stirring it until the boiling goes down just a little bit. Put it on. The timer. Oh, don't pay attention to my ugly nail polish. You have to put it on for 4 hours. Okay? You need to let it sit. And you need to redo this process like every couple, like an hour, every hour. You boil it, stir it, and then turn it off. We'll do that about an hour. Okay. Well, it's been almost an hour. Close enough. Remove the cover. See? It looks a little soupy. And this is what it's supposed to look like. It is really coming along well. You just, you know, stir a little bit like that. Do a little stirry. And then you gotta turn back on the heat and boil once again. While you're waiting for it to boil again, just put the little lid on, and it warms up quicker. Oh, wait for it to boil. Okay, well, it's boiling again. Time to stir. Give it a little stir. And now you have a little bit of steam coming off of it. And just shut it off again. Like that. Stir it around. Make sure it's not too hot. Give it a little stir. Now, the art of stirring is very strong on this one for sure. Put the lid back on. It's been a whole hour almost. Let's see how it looks. Oh, very curdy. Curdy. Look at this sweet little cheese balls. Yeah, that is looking good. So we're like halfway done at this point. Vinegar really worked good into it. So I'm gonna boil it one more time. Put a little cover on. And wait. Are you done yet? No. Oh, you're so beautiful. Yeah, that's another thing that you have to do. You have to sweet talk your cheese. Stirring and stirring. Stirring some more. Let's get it done. Hurry up, cheese. The cheese is taking too long. Oh, it's so beautiful. Time to shut it off again. Wait another hour. We'll do it one more time. Stir. Stir some more. And keep stirring. Okay. Well, this is the last time that you're going to have to stir it. Before you just need to let it set for another hour. Guess what? It's done! This is what it looks like when it's completely done. Now I get to show you what you do with it. Okay, so for the last part, you'll need a glass bowl, a spoon. Beat yourself up. No, I'm just kidding. And then you're going to need a strainer. So the strainer goes in like this. And I'll show you what to do next. So after 4 hours, it's done. You don't want to mix it at the end. You just want to pour it in like this. Just pour it in. Do a little pouring action. Scrape it off good. And then you just want to let it sit for like about 10 minutes. Then once it's all drained completely, just want to put it on a plate like this. Just plop it on the plate. See all the beautiful cheese? You can make this with like lasagna or anything. It's like kind of like more like a ricotta mozzarella. It's really good. And now I'm going to show you what to do with this before you cook it. After your cheese has been in the fridge for a couple hours, you got to season it. So either take it off the plate or take it out of the bag if you were storing it for a couple days. You should really bag it up after it's been sitting on the plate. So what you want to do, put a little bit of pepper, not too much. You really don't need too much salt because you put sea salt in it before. And then you need some Italian seasoning. Just a little bit. And then you just kind of like mix it. Mix it up. And then it's, you know, it's ready to be cooked. Wonderful, yummy cheese.